Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to borrow on Binance. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to Binance.com. And once you're in here on your dashboard, just go to the top, go ahead and hover your mouse onto Earn. Okay, once done, just click on Loan right here or Loans. Now wait for it to load, and once it loads, you can go ahead and choose from Flexible Rate Loan, VIP Loan, or Fixed Rate Loans. For VIP, you'd need to apply, okay, to get the VIP Borrower program. Now in here, you can go ahead and choose if you're just new, Fixed Rate Loans right here, or Flexible Rate Loan. So for this example, I'm just going to be showing you the first option, which is Flexible Rate Loan. So just click on Borrow Now, okay? And in here, select a collateral. You should have a collateral crypto. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and select my Solana right here. I'm going to enter the max amount, and the max amount that you're going to borrow will be available here as well. So here's the calculation. Okay. So after that, here you have your current LTV. You might be asking, what is LTV? So this one is loan to value. Okay. Initial loan to value right here, which is 78%, margin, the liquidation. Okay. And here we have the annualized interest rate, the net annualized interest rate, and the estimated hourly interest. Okay. Liquidation, of course, sold to USD. Voucher, just leave it. Okay. Hit on the checkbox right here and just click on Start Borrowing. And once you have this process finished, you'll be able to see it right here under your going orders. Okay. That's basically it. That is how you borrow on Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.